Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking all about eyelashes today. So I'm going to show you how I apply my eyelashes, and you can go from this to this with just a few easy steps. So let's get into it. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do down below, and let's jump on in and I'll show you some of the lashes I use. So these are the Social Eyes lashes. As you can see, these are the Minx 2.0. If you're after something that is quite full volume and like full on lashes, then these are going to be great. I do love the way that these are so easy to apply. Next up I have the Luster Cosmetics. These lashes are super fluffy, but more on the natural side. I do have a code where you can get 10% off if you use the code Hannah. I'll have that link down below as well, along with the website and links for all of these lashes, just in case you want to check them out. Next up, we've got the Velour lashes. These are some of my favorite lashes. These are very expensive and they are mink lashes, but they are super easy to apply. They are the easiest lashes I've ever put on. These ones I got off of eBay. I actually discovered these by accident, but I really do enjoy them. These are about $1.30, I think. And if I can find the link, I will link that one down below for you to pick up if you're interested as well. They're super nice as well. Next up I've got the Ardell lashes. These are the Wispies and the Demi Wispies. I recently got the Wispies to try out because the Demis were just my favourite lashes from the start. They're what I started with and they were super easy to apply, and they look very natural as well if you're after something like that. I recently picked up the Nakia Joy Cosmetics lashes. I got them in the Chloe and the Zara, as you can see, and the next ones are the Hannah and the Jessica. I'm super excited to try these out. She has made these lashes sort of like specifically to be able to fit everybody's eyes, because like eyelashes don't really ever fit everybody perfectly, and I think that's a good idea. So let's just jump on into all the good stuff and all the information that you need to know, which is why you clicked on this video. Am I right? Anyway, so these are the Luster Cosmetics lashes. They're the ones I'm going to use today. I'm just pointing out the inner corner and the outer corner. Just make sure that when you do trim your lashes, you trim it from the outer corner only, which we'll go into that a little bit further. So this is what the lashes look like out. And then what you're going to do, don't worry about my hair and my face today. I just wanted to get this video up for you guys because, you know, I need to. So I use the Duo Lash Glue. I use the clear or white one, which actually goes clear, so don't be worried about that. You can get the black one as well. I just found that that one only really works if you're doing a black wing. So here I am sizing up my eyelashes. As you can see, they're too big on the outer corner. And like I said before, make sure that you cut your lashes on the outer corner only, because you don't want them to be too long on the inner corner. They need to, you know, look kind of natural, even though they're not natural at all. And then just make sure you check them again to see if you've got the size right. And once the size is right, then we can go ahead and glue them on. So here I am using the Duo glue. I just put on a little bit, not too much, not too little. Now the first mistake that everybody makes is that they put the glue and the eyelash straight on their eye. Do not do that. Let it rest and put your mascara on in the meantime. I know a lot of people don't put mascara on before their lashes, but I just like to because that's just the way I do it. And like I said, while you're doing your eyelashes with mascara, that gives your glue enough time to get tacky and to be able to be applied really easily. So now I'm just showing you what I do is I just stick it straight onto the end of the lash line like so. It was really hard to get this footage, by the way. And it's literally as simple as that. I always thought it was hard, but it was because I was putting the glue on and then putting it straight on my eyelashes. I also have this little tool, which is a lifesaver. I got this off of eBay and it was like $2, and it's a lifesaver for eyelashes. It just pushes them right into the lash line, just super close, and I really like this. I'll link this down below as well because you'll probably like it as well. It definitely makes it easier. And then your lashes will look like this. And yeah, it's pretty simple, to be completely honest. It's just, you know, practice and making sure that your glue is tacky enough, because like I said before, if it's not tacky, then, you know, it's not really going to work too well, is it? So yeah, I hope that this was enough information for you guys. If you've got any more questions, please make sure that you comment them down below, and I'll be happy to answer anything that you've got questions on. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.